Are you looking for a post-holiday detox? Let's begin this journey with Damiana, a plant known not just for its digestive benefits, but also for its ability to help curb overeating by promoting a feeling of fullness. It helps in digestion by stimulating intestinal contractions and the secretion of digestive juices that break down food. Moving on, we have elderberry, a superfood overflowing with antioxidants. Its high antioxidant content not just combats harmful free radicals in the body, but also aids in speeding up your metabolism, enabling your body to burn calories more efficiently. Next in line is licorice root, an essential agent in maintaining your blood sugar levels. It does this by reducing the amount of sugar that gets stored in your body as fat, which could help reduce cravings and keep your appetite in check. Directing our attention now to sea moss gel, a nutrient-dense product that packs a punch. Its rich composition can not only boost your energy levels, but also potentially speed up metabolism, helping you burn calories even when at rest. Incorporating these nutrient superstars into your daily regimen is a practical approach towards health. Visit shop.worldmoss.com for these items and more. Stay healthy, maintain your equilibrium, and here's to a remarkable journey this holiday season.